Hello children, welcome to class 7th English. I hope you're all safe at your home. I'm your Jayaprada madam, your English teacher, talking to you through this video. I'm here to take class for you for class 7th. We have two textbooks. The main reader is Honeycomb and the supplementary reader is An Alien Hand. What is that sound, children, which is at the background of the video? Can you listen to it? What a beautiful sound it is. Aishwarya, what is that sound which is coming at the background of the video?
It's a sweet sound of a squirrel.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. We are going to learn a poem on squirrel. It's a small, short poem, The Squirrel by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. Have you seen a squirrel, Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am. I have seen a squirrel on trees, burrows, and in a house also.
That's really great. What did you like in a squirrel? Can you describe a squirrel in few sentences?
I like squirrel very much. It has a beautiful bushy tail.
Yes.
It has beady eyes.
Yes.
I like his activeness in the squirrel.
Yes. You love to be very active like squirrel. It jumps very long, isn't it? From
Yes,
one
ma'am.
tree to another, it jumps. And it is very active. You can never see a squirrel sitting in a place.
And I like squirrels cleaning very much.
It keeps cleaning its body. It's a very clean animal. That's really great. So we are going to learn a small poem on squirrel. The Squirrel. Here is a poem for you. Just a 6-line poem. I'll read it out for you, children. You please listen to me carefully. He wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut, he liked to tease and play. And if he ran around his tree, he went the other way. Can you read for me, Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am. The squirrel. He wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut, he liked to tease and play. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way.
That's really great. Once again, I'll read it out for you, children. He wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut, he liked to tease and play. And if he ran around his tree, he went the other way. Such a small, beautiful, tiny little poem on a tiny squirrel. We shall see the poem once again. He wore a question mark for tail. Why the poet says like that, Aishwarya?
Because the squirrel has a question mark on his tail.
Yes, you can see the bushy tail is in the shape of a question mark. That's why the poet is describing its tail is looking like a question mark. Then why it is told as an overcoat of grey?
Because his fur is in grey color.
Yes, the fur of the
Squirrel is in grey color.
That's really great. So, he is wearing a overcoat of grey. The fur of it refers to the fur of the squirrel. He sat up straight to eat a nut. Which is the favorite food of the squirrel?
The squirrel's favorite food is walnuts.
Yes, they love nuts. With the help of the teeth, they just nibble the
Walnuts.
Walnuts. Now you can see in the picture a squirrel nibbling the nuts, eating the nuts. He liked to tease and play. They loved to play with each other. You must have seen squirrel jumping from one tree to another. Have you seen, Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, even in this picture you can see how the two little squirrel, they are playing with each other.
One squirrel is hiding and one squirrel is finding the other.
Yeah, that's really true. They are playing hide and seek, I believe.
Yes, ma'am.
Beautifully. One is just peeping out from that hole. So they love to tease and play. If you try to catch them, it is very, very difficult. Just escape your catch. If we ran around his tree, if we tried to catch him around his tree, he went the other way. He will just jump from one place to another. He will take another way and escape from you. It is very difficult to catch a
Squirrel.
because it's very active. It moves very fast and quick. It is known for its quick movement. That is why it moves. It doesn't mean that it is afraid of human being. It escapes from human beings. If you try to catch it, it moves around. But if you are friendly with all the animals, they are also friendly with you. Okay, we shall see some more information about the squirrel. This is the poem all about, a very small poem. Now, a group of squirrel is called as,
A dray of squirrels.
can you repeat it?
A dray of squirrels.
Yes, it is a collective noun. The group of squirrels are called as a dray of squirrels. It's a new word you should learn, children. Then, what are the baby squirrels called?
Baby squirrels are called as kits.
Kits. How beautifully tiny kits are just peeping out from that burrow of the tree or from tree hole. Can you see, children? How beautiful. Do you see, Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
How beautiful they are. Baby squirrels are called as
Kits. Kits.
kits. They are called as kits. The kits are peeping from the tree hole. You can even see here. And they not only live on trees, they live in burrows. The squirrels live in trees as well as they live in burrows. In first picture you can see the squirrels living in tree hole. In the second one you can see they are living in burrows. What do you mean by burrows? Where can you find burrows? You can find it in the
Desert.
Ground. In the desert place, in the ground you can find, they make hole, they go under the earth. Especially as Aishwarya said, they live under the earth in the deserts in order to escape from the heat of the desert. So these are the extra information we learn about squirrel. Such a beautiful animal it is. Okay, let us see some more information about squirrel. Can you read?
Tree squirrels typically live in wooded areas since they prefer to live in trees. Ground squirrels live up to their names. They dig burrows, a system of tunnels underground to live in.
So tree squirrels are also there and ground squirrels are also there. Tree squirrels live on trees. Ground squirrels live inside the grounds in the burrows. These are the extra information. Now children, fill up the blanks for you. You can pause the video and you can read the fill up the blanks and you try to write these fill up the blanks in your classwork notebook. First copy the poem, you paste the picture of a beautiful squirrel and or even you can draw a picture of squirrel and you should answer all this fill up the blanks in your classwork notebook. The first one is the squirrel or dash. The fur of the squirrel is dash in color. The squirrel eats dash. He likes to dash and dash. So go through the poem and write all this, fill up the blanks. If people run around him, he would dash. It's a very, very easy poem for you children. You have some more assignment, home assignments as well as classwork. So these are the home assignments where you have to write in your homework notebook. Describe the tail of the squirrel. It is bushy, isn't it? And it is looking like a question mark. Where do squirrels live? I showed you in the video. So you go through the video and write the answers for all this. What is the collective noun of squirrel? What are the young ones of squirrels called? So there is a home assignment for you. Very interesting and creative home assignment. Write a paragraph on squirrel and paste picture of squirrel. So you have to write few paragraphs. So much of information I have given you. Go through the video, collect those information and you can put it in the form of a paragraph in your home assignment, pasting a beautiful picture of a squirrel. Or if you are good at drawing, you can even draw a picture of a squirrel. And not only that children, create a poem on any favorite animal of your choice. So you can take any animal which is very favorite to you and you can write a poem on that animal. You can just write 4 or 5 lines as this poem, like this poem. You can write your own poem. You can create your own poem of your choice and you can write that in your home assignment. And you learn this poem by heart. So these are the home assignments as well as classwork I have given you. Then I think you would have enjoyed this video, this particular video on the poem The Squirrel. Okay children, I'll be meeting you with another video lesson. Bye for now. Happy learning. Thank you.